Welcome to MagicClips AI, the all-in-one platform that helps you create high-quality, scroll-stopping short clips video in minutes, without editing skills, without expensive software, and without hiring any video creators. Let's dive in. After login, this is your MagicClips AI dashboard, where all video creation tools are available in one place. Here you can create AI short videos for viral reels and social media content, product review videos for e-commerce and ads, AI avatar promos for faceless promotional videos, and catalog demo videos to showcase products beautifully. Below, the recent creation section lets you view, preview, and download all your past videos instantly. On the right side, you'll find your main navigation, dashboard, short video, traffic, agency, and settings, giving you quick access to every feature. Everything is simple, fast, and beginner-friendly, so you can start creating powerful short videos instantly. Now, let's create your first short video. Click on Short Video, then click Create New Short Video. Next, choose your short video style. You can select from AI short video, product review videos, AI avatar promos, catalog demo video, or template product video. All types of videos can be created from one single place. Let's understand them one by one. And we'll start with AI short video. Click on AI short video. Once you're inside AI short video, the first step is to select your video type. Choose from meme clips, animal shorts, baby reels, and more. As soon as you select a category, an automatic prompt is generated for you. You can use it as is, or write your own custom prompt. To make it even better, simply click on the magic wand to enhance prompt and let AI improve it for you. Next, turn on Add Voiceover. Paste your script and choose a voice from our library of 1,000 plus AI voices, available in multiple languages and genders. You can even clone your own voice if you want. After that, add background music. You'll find music tracks for different moods and niches. Just pick the one that fits your video. Once everything is set, click Generate at the top, and that's it. Your short video is created and ready to use.
Jesus, take the wheel!
Just learn how to fucking drive.
See how easy it is? Once your video is generated, you're taken to your video library. Here, you can see all the videos you've created. You can preview any video, edit it, download it, or delete it anytime, all from one place. Everything is neatly organized, making it easy to manage your content. Now let's move to the next feature. Click on Product Review Videos. Inside Product Review Videos, creating a video is just as simple. First, upload your product image. Next, choose an avatar. You can select from 100 plus realistic AI avatars, or upload your own custom avatar if you want. After that, describe your video ad. Just enter a short prompt explaining how you want your product to be presented. Then, add background music from multiple options based on different moods and niches. Once everything is ready, click Generate at the top. And within seconds, your product review video is created automatically.
Welcome to the future of refreshment. This isn't just a drink, it's an experience, crafted for those who demand the best.
Stay hydrated in style with the Stanley Tumbler, built to keep your drinks cold for hours, featuring a comfortable handle and durable stainless steel design.
Hey guys, I just wanted to show you my favorite water, My Blue. It's so refreshing and I love the design.
Next, click on AI Avatar Promos. Inside AI Avatar Promos, first choose a template. You can select portrait, landscape, or square. Choose the format that fits your platform best. After that, choose an avatar. Select from 1,000 plus AI avatars across different niches. Next, add your script and select a voice. Choose from multiple languages and voice styles. Then, add background music and click Save and Next. Now, upload your product image. If your image has a background, no problem. Just use Background Remove. After that, add effects, including in effects and out effects. Next, choose a background. Pick from 50 plus beautiful backgrounds or upload your own custom background. Once everything is done, click Save and Next, and that's it. Your AI avatar promo video is created and ready.
Crafted with precision, designed for elegance, a handbag that defines style, quality, and confidence.
Discover ultimate relaxation with our full-size portable steam sauna. Enjoy easy Bluetooth control for a seamless, tech-savvy spa experience.
Transform your home with Brightowl's magical Christmas garland. Reason 1. Stunning design with pine cones, berries, and glitter.
Struggling with messy, hard-to-assemble Christmas trees every holiday season? I discovered the perfect solution while scrolling through my favorite online store.
Next, click on Catalog Demo Video. First, choose a template, portrait, landscape, or square, depending on your platform. Then, upload your product images. You can upload up to 10 images at once. If your images have a background, simply use Background Remove. Next, add background music, then click Save and Next. And just like that, your catalog demo video is created. Simple and fast. Now, let's move to the next option. Click on Template Product Video. First, choose a template. Select from 100+ premium cinematic templates available in portrait, landscape, or square formats. Next, upload your product image. After that, add effects and choose background music that matches your video style. Once everything is set, click Save and Next. And that's it. Your template product video is created and ready to use. Now we have successfully created videos with all 5 tools: AI short video, product review videos, AI avatar promos, catalog demo video, and template product video. You saw how simple and fast the entire process is. And now comes the best part. If you want to edit your video further, add text, emojis, shapes, stickers, or even join multiple clips together, don't worry, MagicClips AI already has a beautiful drag and drop timeline editor built inside. No learning curve, no complicated tools. Everything is simple and beginner-friendly. Let's start editing. Simply click Edit, and you'll instantly jump into your drag and drop timeline editor. And this is your MagicClips AI drag and drop timeline editor. Here, you can customize your video exactly the way you want. On the left panel, you get Templates. Ready-made layouts you can switch instantly. Shorts, add additional video clips to your timeline. Background, add color, image, and videos in your background. Text library, pre-designed text styles you can drag and drop. Elements, emojis, shapes, arrows, blur, highlights, and many more interactive elements. Library, access all your uploaded videos and images, and even search for new assets. All edits are done visually with the drag and drop timeline editor. No learning curve, no complexity, just click, drag, adjust, and your video is ready. Once editing is complete, simply export your video with one click. Beautiful, simple, and beginner-friendly. That's the power of MagicClips AI. Now let's move to the next feature. Click on Traffic, your AI social generator that creates various social codes for you automatically. Here you get 2 smart tools, Hashtag Generator and Caption Generator. Hashtag Generator, generate high-performing hashtags for maximum reach. Just enter your keyword, choose tone, set creativity, and click Generate. You can copy or download the results instantly. Caption Generator, create engaging captions for any niche or platform. Same simple steps, keyword, tone, creativity, then generate or download your captions in one click. These tools help you boost your content performance without any manual effort. Now let's move to the next section. Click on Agency. Inside Agency, you can manage your entire client workflow, manage clients, manage teams, white label branding, DFY client proposals, and many more powerful features. Everything you need to run a full video agency is built in. Settings. Under Settings, you can easily access workspace, subscription, tutorials, bonuses, support. Everything is organized and easy to access, so you can manage your entire MagicClips AI account effortlessly. And that completes your full MagicClips AI walkthrough. Simple, powerful, and super clean. This is your complete MagicClips AI product. Create videos, edit them, manage clients, deliver projects, all in one place.